Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about breakdown maintenance. Let's jump right into it. The rhythmic hum of machinery is the lifeblood of a manufacturing facility. But even the most robust equipment encounters hiccups along the way. When a machine sputters and stalls, bringing production to a grinding halt, breakdown maintenance comes to the rescue. However, this reactive approach, while seemingly straightforward, requires careful consideration as part of a larger maintenance strategy. Breakdown maintenance. Imagine a scenario where a critical piece of equipment malfunctions mid-production. Panic sets in, deadlines loom, and the pressure to get things back online intensifies. Breakdown maintenance steps in during these situations, focusing on addressing equipment failures after they occur. This reactive approach prioritizes diagnosing the problem and implementing repairs to restore functionality as quickly as possible. The goal is to minimize downtime and get your operations back on track. The repair process: technicians become detectives, analyzing error codes, abnormal noises, or visual signs of damage to pinpoint the culprit. Repairs might involve replacing parts, making adjustments, or even seeking assistance from the equipment manufacturer. The emphasis is on getting things back online quickly, sometimes with temporary fixes until a more permanent solution can be implemented during a planned downtime window. The double-edged sword of breakdown maintenance. Breakdown maintenance offers a certain appeal. It seems simple to implement and potentially requires lower upfront costs compared to a proactive approach. However, this reactive strategy comes with significant drawbacks. Unpredictable downtime. The very nature of breakdowns is their unpredictability. They can happen at any time, disrupting production schedules, delaying deliveries, and causing significant financial losses. The potential for increased costs. Emergency repairs often carry a hefty price tag. The urgency associated with getting things back online translates to potentially higher labor costs. Additionally, waiting for a breakdown can lead to more extensive damage, requiring more parts replacements or even equipment overhauls, further inflating overall maintenance costs. Safety risks lurk in the shadows. Unexpected breakdowns can pose safety hazards to personnel. Equipment malfunctions can cause accidents or injuries if not addressed promptly. Is breakdown maintenance ever a good idea? While breakdown maintenance might seem inherently risky, there are situations where it might be a suitable, albeit temporary, solution. Low criticality equipment. For equipment that doesn't directly impact production or safety, breakdown maintenance might be acceptable if the repair costs are relatively low. For example, a minor issue with a backup generator might be addressed reactively if it's not essential for daily operations. Limited budget. Financial constraints are a reality for many businesses. In situations with limited budgets allocated for maintenance, breakdown maintenance might seem like the only option for some equipment. However, it's important to consider the potential long-term costs associated with breakdowns and factor in the impact on production efficiency. The takeaway: breakdown maintenance can be a necessary evil, especially when dealing with unexpected equipment failures. However, it should not be the sole strategy in your maintenance playbook. A balanced approach that incorporates preventive maintenance alongside breakdown maintenance is crucial for optimizing equipment performance, minimizing downtime, ensuring a safe and efficient manufacturing operation, and ultimately, maximizing your profitability. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, and a well-planned maintenance strategy is the cornerstone of a successful and efficient manufacturing facility. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.